The Garden of Eden, the enigmatic paradise where the biblical narrative of humanity's origin unfolds, is a profound mystery. According to the book of Genesis, God created this idyllic garden as the home for Adam and Eve, the first humans. This divine sanctuary, depicted as a place of perfect harmony, raises intriguing questions. Is Eden located somewhere on Earth, accessible yet undiscovered despite humanity's scientific advancements? Or is it an otherworldly realm, beyond the reach of current human exploration? In this discussion, we will delve into historical and geographical research to explore these possibilities and seek a deeper understanding of Eden's nature and location. The Garden of Eden is more than a mere myth. It is a symbol of divine perfection and human innocence in religious and cultural narratives. Described as a lush haven filled with abundant plant life, life-giving rivers, and the presence of God, Eden represents an ideal state of existence. This image of Eden captivates the human imagination and inspires a sense of longing for a lost paradise. Over centuries, scholars have proposed various locations for Eden, from the fertile regions of Mesopotamia to distant parts of Africa, each theory supported by ancient texts, geographical clues, and archaeological evidence. Genesis 2:10 plays a crucial role in this debate, describing a river that waters Eden and divides into 4 branches. This description has led to extensive scholarly analysis, with debates centered on the translation and interpretation of ancient texts. The pursuit of Eden's location continues to be a fascinating blend of faith, history, and science, reflecting humanity's enduring quest for its origins. Exploring the original Hebrew text reveals a subtle but significant interpretation of the rivers described in Genesis. Contrary to the common visualization of a single river branching into 4, the language suggests that 4 rivers converge within the lush expanse of Eden. This nuanced understanding shifts our perspective, presenting Eden as a central hub where these rivers meet and sustain the paradise depicted in the Bible. Such a reinterpretation enriches our grasp of the scriptural landscape, highlighting a harmonious gathering point for the life-giving waters. This refined comprehension is pivotal for those striving to locate the Garden of Eden. By closely examining the geographical details in Genesis, particularly the mentions of Havilah and Cush, researchers gain crucial insights. Havilah, renowned for its wealth of gold, is positioned between Egypt and Assyria, aligning with areas in present-day Saudi Arabia and Iraq. This strategic location offers a vital clue for the search, as the abundant gold mentioned in the Bible strengthens its relevance. Furthermore, identifying Cush, traditionally linked to African regions, within the context of ancient Mesopotamia near modern-day Iran, invites a reconsideration of historical assumptions. This shift challenges traditional views and encourages a more precise focus on Mesopotamia, enhancing the potential for uncovering the true location of Eden. The rivers Pison and Gihon, whose identities may have evolved over the centuries, intrigue researchers with geological evidence suggesting potential ancient courses. Remnants of ancient riverbeds like Wadi Ruma and the Karun River, which once traversed the landscapes of Havilah and Cush, offer clues to the lush, fertile past of these regions. These ancient rivers, mentioned in the Bible Genesis 2:10-14, were vital lifelines, nurturing rich ecosystems and supporting the civilizations that thrived along their banks. Their traces whisper of a time when these areas were lush and full of life, providing sustenance and prosperity to the people who lived there. In contrast, the Tigris and Euphrates rivers are enduring symbols of power and fertility, originating in the mountains of Armenia and flowing through the heart of Mesopotamia. These rivers, significant in biblical history and often referred to in the context of the Garden of Eden Genesis 2:14, are considered the cradle of civilization. Their confluence near the Persian Gulf marks a significant geographical and historical point, drawing the interest of historians and explorers seeking to uncover the secrets of ancient civilizations. The quest to locate Eden transcends mere geography, encompassing theological, mythological, and existential dimensions. historical records and archaeological findings merge, fueling the imagination and driving the quest to understand the origins of human consciousness and the profound narratives that shape our understanding of the past. The association of Eden with locations like the Government of National Accord GNA in Iraq, where the ancient Tigris and Euphrates rivers converge, adds depth to the narrative. In these areas, the remnants of ancient myths linger, suggesting a time when humanity's relationship with nature was intimate and harmonious. The Tree of Knowledge, a powerful symbol embedded in various cultural myths, evokes a longing to uncover the truths hidden beneath layers of history and legend. This intertwining of geography and myth underlines humanity's enduring quest to understand our origins and the profound connections we once had with the natural world. The search for Eden goes beyond physical exploration. It probes deeply into human understanding and spirituality. At its heart is a significant theological investigation that encourages reflection on innocence, the origins of sin, and humanity's perpetual quest for redemption. Questions arise about whether Eden was merely a metaphor for humanity's original purity or a real place that affirms the biblical narratives. Scholars and theologians engage with these questions, navigating through scripture, historical evidence, and philosophical debates. Jesus' words, affirming the historical truth of Genesis, act as a guiding light for the faithful amidst complex theological discussions. The tale of Eden is rich with themes of creation, temptation, and redemption, serving both as a warning about the consequences of disobedience and a beacon of hope for paradise regained through Jesus Christ's sacrifice. For believers, Eden is not just a distant memory, but also a future promise of eternal bliss for the faithful. Thus, while the precise location of the Garden of Eden might remain speculative, its symbolic importance stands as a testament to humanity's search for meaning and transcendence. Whether seen as a historical place or a metaphorical idea, Eden continues to captivate, prompting reflection on our origins and the promise of our ultimate destiny. As we traverse the corridors of history, we find comfort in the hope of a restored Eden, a paradise for those who seek it with faith and reverence.
If you found this video enjoyable, please consider liking and sharing it. Additionally, subscribing to this channel will ensure that you receive more updates in the future. Thank you.